Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel FL Institute. This is me, Sunny, with you all. Today I came up with a new topic which is all about the history of a great personality who is Zia-ul-Haq, General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq. But before moving toward the history, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update. Like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your family. So let's step ahead toward the topic. The topic which I'm gonna explain that is General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq, who was the hero and who was the great personality of Pakistan. General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq, he was the 4th Chief Martial Law Administrator and the 6th President of Pakistan. He was born on 12th August 1924 in Jalandhar, India, and died on 17th August 1988. Zia-ul-Haq was the second child of Muhammad Akbar, who worked in the Army GHQ in Delhi and Shimla pre-partition. Coming toward the education, about his education, after receiving his early education from Government High School Shimla, he did his BA honors from St. Stephen College, Delhi. Zia-ul-Haq joined the British Indian Army in 1943. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, appointed him Chief of Army Staff in 1976. After retiring 7 Lieutenant General to promote Zia-ul-Haq to 4 stars rank on 5th July 1977. Zia-ul-Haq planned and overthrew the ruling of Pakistani Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. He became the state's 3rd ruler to impose martial law. He was commissioned in the British Army in 1943 and served in Burma, Malaya, and Indonesia during World War II. When the war was over, he decided to join the armored corps. At the time of independence, like most of the Muslim officers in the British Army, Zia-ul-Haq opted to join the Pakistan Army. As a major, he got an opportunity to do a training course in the Commander and Staff College of United States of America in 1963 to 1964. He remained posted in Jordan from 1967 till 1970, where he was involved in training Jordan's military. He was appointed as Corps Commander of Multan in 1975. On April 1st, 1976, in a surprise move, then the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, appointed Zia-ul-Haq as Chief of Army Staff, superseding 5 senior generals. Bhutto probably wanted somebody as the head of the armed forces who would not prove to be a threat for him, and the best available option was the simple general who was apparently entrusted only in offering prayers and playing golf. However, history proved that General Zia-ul-Haq proved to be much smarter than Zulfikar Ali Bhutto thought. When political tensions reached to its climax due to the deadlock between Bhutto and the leadership of Pakistan National Alliance on the issue of general elections, Zia-ul-Haq took advantage of the situation. On 5th July 1977, he carried out a bloodless coup, overthrowing Bhutto's government and enforced martial law in the country. After assuming power as Chief Martial Law Administrator, Zia-ul-Haq promised to hold national and provincial assembly elections in the next 90 days and to hand over power to the representatives of the nation. However, in 1977 October, he announced the postponement of the electoral plan and decided to start an accountability process of the politicians. In a statement, he said that he changed his decision due to the strong public demand. The disqualification tribunal was formulated and many former members of parliament were disqualified from participating in politics at any level for the next 7 years. A white paper was also issued which criticized the activities of Pakistan People Party's government under the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. So, coming toward the end of General Zia-ul-Haq life, who died along with several of his top generals and admirals, and the United States ambassador to Pakistan Arnold Lewis Rappel, in a suspicious air crash near to Bahawalpur, Punjab on 17th August 1988. So I hope you have gotten the history or the biography of great personality who is Zia-ul-Haq, General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq. So if you have any question related to this topic or another topic, you can just comment me in the comment box below. And in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So this is all for today. Thanks for being a part of this history. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.